Yes, today you're gonna get this beautiful lady's phone. I don't want to show you her number. Phone face is completely broken. Everything here is broken. So we are going to try to get it fixed faster.
5 is good? Yeah.
Plus, you already know that you gotta remove the bottom screws. It's a must stick it. And you must secure it properly in the corner. I already got the screen, so let me just show you a quick theory. So this is the iPhone 6s.
Oh, well, it's not needed. Do you need the phone still? Okay. We just put your info on it. Now, oh, you said it didn't matter about the color, right? Wasn't that?
I was probably so glad. Yeah.
Because I see a gold that's ordered. I don't know, but I thought that day, I don't know if you said the color didn't matter.
Yeah, I just, it didn't matter because it was possible. But even
Well, if it's already ordered, we can't change it. It's already in transit. Since you said it didn't matter, I guess that's what will be ordered.
Yeah. You can't cancel it?
No, it's already out.
Okay. Can I, take the skin out and do you have any old phones? I could borrow this one.
Our loaner phone, we actually sold it. That was the last one. We don't have it anymore.
Okay.
You take the SIM card,
Let's see.
Just, it was ordered the same day, from what I
Yeah, well, I know the screws. Basically, this is what you're trying to accomplish. Just remember to gently clip this stuff.
No, we'll call you the day it comes in. Is there any other number to call you? No email? Yeah, Rachel. Well, since you have the phone here, then I'm just writing on the phone.
If you could let us
See? They cut off Excel? See, but that's not a power issue because it's restarting. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's an indication of your screen. That's what happens. On the screen? Yeah, if your screen is damaged, sometimes it can cut out the phone completely and then restart. If the screen is not fully damaged or it won't display, sometimes it can do that. But I would have to check it out thoroughly, but in order to check that out. Yeah, because this screen is like this far wider. Yeah, sometimes that happens like that. Yeah, with a lot of people. Trust me, it's like, oh, it's been
These
cracked.
screws, you put them together because you don't want to miss these.
Sorry.
Let's see. Brit.MNRO
Yep.
0 @gmail.com. Alright?
Yeah.
No problem.
Supposed to be 6 of them.
That shit's been here for 2 weeks and Tariq didn't order his stuff. Yeah,
all screws together still.
Yeah, it's charging. Let me check on it now. It's only 9%. That's good? Okay. Yo, this one says it has an expandable screen. Do you know how?
Hmm?
This says it has a dual expandable screen.
What do you mean?
This phone. It says it has an expandable dual screen.
I think it's something to do with a camera coming up somewhere. I don't know. Check it online. I don't never know the phone. An expandable, like something that is eject and come back in?
That's what it said.
Hell no. It ain't look like that kind of phone, bro.
No, real talk. That's what it says.
I don't think so.
Oh no, wait. Yeah, it says it. That's weird, yo. Yeah, you're ready. Huh? So basically you press down here to make your phone call, okay?
Alright.
And then you press this to go back. So everything is here. Like this is the home button. This is
So what about the picture?
pictures. You go to you swipe up. You swipe over this side. You go to camera.
Yeah, oh, camera.
Camera, and then you can press.
I want to see my picture.
Oh, your picture is here. Now this.
I already put a picture over there already.
You did pictures? Huh?
Yeah.
You say he did what?
I put a picture over in his gallery already for him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Let's see the picture.
You put the hands on top.
No, you can put it anywhere. It's
Yeah, just put the one with him and he and his grandson at the back, the screen protector, screen saver. We really just want to see his grandson.
I don't see the gallery.
Yeah, the gallery is right here. I have the same problem.
I see photo of these.
You get the new screen. This is new. Just took it off. Brand new screen.
Hello?
So you gotta line it up.
No, I'm finishing up with the guy right now with the G8X. It was dead, so he was waiting for it to charge while he called the cabin.
That's the gallery.
I'm thinking I have the long screen. Yes, this guy has an iPhone 6.
Press this.
To the gallery, no.
Yeah.
I can see the paper at the back.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, let me make it easier for you to get your
Go to the
photo.
gallery.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So look, your photos are right there, okay? So you just click that and you see your photos.
I got the screen.
Alright.
what's that? That's the,
That's for the photo.
picture.
Yeah. And then that's your dollar. Your photo. Alright?
Alright, what's the telephone?
The same number you have.
What's that?
I don't know, I gotta call it. Hold on.
Okay.
Alright, yes, sir. Hello? J2, no, he didn't. Yeah. And then I have someone here about a Note 9. He said he got a back cover for him and something else. But a Note 9. He said he's your friend. For a while, he's had the Note 9 back cut glass and everything here for you, bro.
For telephone number in there?
Yeah, 718-490-0530.
Put that in there.
I'm alright with the back, okay?
Alright.
Yeah,
You can't put it in the telephone.
it's in the phone already, but it's difficult to get it.
Huh?
No. Hold on one second.
Oh, it's cool.
He said that he has a Note 9. Yeah. What is? Okay. Wait, hold on. He's on the phone now, plug your phone. Hold on, sir. Give me 1 second.
No, it's off right now.
Alright, but you're going to?
Yeah.
That's alright. Your number's on the back, okay?
Oh, telephone.
Yeah, correct. So you know it. Alright, so I'm adding the battery to the list now, he said. Yeah.
Oh, you told me what it is?
Yeah. No, not what it is. He told me that. Hold on. So, Tariq, what's the deal overall with his back glass? And what else?
No, he's supposed to have the glass on me.
He said you have the back glass on it already.
But I never reach. You know that. He been customer about that.
He said that you have the back glass here for him already for the Note 9. Alright. And then what's up with this, the customer's charger for the LG? You don't have any more chargers, the USB-C, do you? You know what I'm saying? Do you have any more USB-C chargers for the customer that's buying the phone now? Alright, so am I giving it to him, a full one? You said don't give him what? Okay.
How are you, sir? 1 minute, okay? Sir? 1 minute, okay? 1 minute.
I don't even want to talk to him. I'm just saying, if you say that, I have to. If you say that is the problem, the process.
Well, hold on, Tariq. So, Tariq, this is the deal with the Note 9. It doesn't look like it's a battery problem. See, what happened is it's turning off and restarting. He has a crack in the screen, and the screen is glitching. Like you can see it, it's a little faded out and it's glitching. So, you know how like sometimes the screen indicate when it's broken that it's something that is faulty. So the phone can restart from it, or it could be something else. I don't know, but I don't think it's a battery problem. But his phone, because if it was a battery problem, the phone would stay off. If it would die, it's turning off and then restarting
Note
back
9,
on.
right?
No, it was 100%. And every time it come off and go back on, the percent go down.
But how much? By how much?
They will go off again, then they come back on. You see, they go off and come back on.
But what percent is it when it turns on?
100, it went to 60 when it came back on. From 60, it went to 40.
Okay, so possibly. All right. Yeah. Well, there's a cut. They're doing an XR now repair. Well, he said the screen is here.
Screen for what? Alexa?
The board and the iPad.
Yo, we don't have no screen for the XR. Just remember, this guy have nothing. Bro.
Hold on. All right, what's the deal with the iPad again? Wait, but the iPad you gave me has no screen on it.
That's all he's doing. One second. That's all he's doing. Delegating. Not taking nothing serious.
Hold on, okay. I got motherboard,
Okay.
and then I have an iPad here that you gave me in my hand by the name of Derek.
It's finished.
It has no screen on it.
The home button.
It doesn't say anything. So who do I bring that to? Oh, okay, so then, okay.
You got a home button with it. You're supposed to have a home button with it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna call your cab now, okay?
Hey, we're on the charger.
I'm gonna give it to you. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, please,
Okay.
let me talk. Take care of this. Alright. Alright, so
Okay,
battery.
so it's good.
Hello.
Phone is good. Everything looks good.
That's hers?
Yeah.
Alright, so no problem. That's
So let me put the shields back. And the beautiful ladies photos. So the shield is really these things clamped on the screen. like that. These are small screws.
Let me get your charger and you're good to go, okay? I'm getting your charger, okay?
Alright. Yes.
This is your charger. Huh?
Who you put in the back here?
No, in the bottom. Same way as your other phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
I think I'm just
And now you need a cab, right?
Huh?
You need a cab to pick you up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
I need what for?
You said you need a cab, right? A cab. Cab. You said you need a cab?
Yeah, I don't care now. Go back across now.
Did you take back the cards with the number?
I gave it to you.
Okay. No problem. I got it right here.
Yeah, I know I gave it to
I
you.
know you did.
Yeah. You got a
Said
bag?
I'll give it to you now.
I'll see if I can go.
Oh, I saw it. One just flipped out.
Yeah, can I have a cab at 661 Flatbush Avenue?
661 Flatbush, where you going?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
What's the address you're going to?
That was, where?
Where are you going? What's your address?
I'm going back to the base.
Do you know the address of the base? The base?
It's on the card there.
You want to go to their base?
Yeah, yeah.
I have a customer saying he want to go to your base. I don't know.
Okay, no problem. I'll send 20 for you now.
All right, thank you.
Give
Yeah, that's it.
me a bag.
All right, cool.
Yo, growing old has to suck.
Here you go.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
That's it. It should be something.
So,
Let's take the plastic off. That's
how
something.
can I help you?
Oh,
Yucky, we got good home button.
no, we're setting up with this.
Perfect play.
He said to come in today.
Beautiful
He's
lady.
gonna show you how to work it.
Okay.
Okay.
But the problem is,
Excuse me?
basically, with this thing, you can't watch nothing live.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, well, I need you guys to show me how to do that.
Okay.
But everything that I wanna go
We
see,
need to go to your
it
YouTube
says I
channel
have
and
to have
subscribe to see
a
your
cable
phone.
network. You know, is,
Yeah, because you have to go inside of the Apple module.
Yeah, looks like
okay,
it's all
you got,
working.
you wait,
Alright, so
am
let
I
me get
waiting
this
for
paper.
him or for you?
Did you make an appointment with him to come now?
He told me to come today after 11.
Okay. You just find out where he's at.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
I went to CNN.
Yeah, you're just going to the wrong thing. That's all. He showed you when we were in the store, but you got to show you again. It's okay.
Okay.
Hey, Eddie. What's up, man? Where you at? Okay, good. Yeah, that's one too.
Shall I wait?
He's coming around the corner.
Okay, thank
My
you.
fault.
Thank you.
All right, shut up. All right, all right, so if you, so I'm gonna have the battery in like 2 hours in the back glass. About an hour and a half, 2 hour range. All right? So just bring it. That, oh, you, well, that's it, expensive, I can tell you.
I'm gonna change this.
Yeah. So you care about the front? Yeah, I got a case. So, the only thing, let me see the best price.
What if it's, if that's not first, then you
Yeah. Yeah, I just see that the screen is glitching, that's the thing.
because this is the last, from the first notch, that was still the food.
Yeah, but the problem that, well, the thing about it is there's 2 ways that we fix the screen. One is we ship it to a company that uses a laser machine to take the glass off, and that's the cheaper way, and that's how they can fix it. But if you change the whole screen, that's instant fix, and it's expensive. the screen itself. It's over 200 and change for the Note 9. So let me see. Yeah, you're looking at like 270, 275 for that, and repair and everything. Well, for just the screen.
You get that phone back?
Oh, my bad.
No problem. And how are you able to get some charge?
So you want me to do a back glass or no? So just only back. Well, this is the deal. See how your back glass is? To take this off, it might break more. Because it's cracked up, and this is what we gotta heat up and take off. So we're probably gonna need to do a back glass. That's the thing. I could probably.
If I need it, and
I'll try one. There's a lot of cracks, so when we heat it up and put it up, it might break some more. That's the thing, the way it looks now.
Just FaceTime me, man.
You know.
Did
Did he tell you the price for the back glass?
everything else 260.
For the screen? Yeah. So that means he told you at the range before it started flipping, and it was just the glass by itself, and he was going to do the laser. Yeah, see, he was going to mail it out then.
I think the receipts I can write it down so you can go subscribe.
Yeah, alright, so.
So you want to do it? The battery?
Yeah, he put it.
You gotta take it. Oh.
Everything,
He's my
everything
notes.
was normal.
He said I can watch stuff like this. Everything I want to watch,
Stay
he
in
says I
there.
need to have a cable
Stay
provider.
in there. I can see my hair.
This thing great. What is this?
You know wallet? You know wallet?
What? And then put this into the, you know what, I got 2 8s and 9. So I left the contact
The whole
there,
thing.
and I put the other one,
Your video
and
right
the
now.
other 8s and 9.
Thank you so much.
Please like and share. Subscribe.
No, because he was probably gonna mail it out.